First, you have to go to dashboard from here, and then we scroll down. We press the button continue lesson, and then help Scrat across the slippery ice to get the acorn. Continue. And now, can you get to the acorn with just this block trying using a loop? Okay then. So this already done a 4 right at that side. Now see 4 downside, so we've got to put it down our downer block. And now let's run it so that we can see how it will work. Now let's press the button continue. If you want to play it again, so you can press replay, but as I want to finish this quick, so okay then now. Okay, it's already done. Then let's see 4 downside. 1, 2. Now all you gotta do is 4 to the west. Let's see. Now let's see what we can do to get him to his acorns. We can use lots of blocks, but with the south one, we're going to repeat it 4 times so that it could go down 4 blocks. And now it's right here. So we're going to need another 4 So here we're going to repeat it because we can only use them once. And then if we want to go that side, so we're going to use the west block. We join it and then put it back in. And then if you want to go up 4 steps, so we're going to take the repeat one again and then go up north. And now let's run it. Now let's see what he can do. 3 steps at that side. Okay, this is fine. Not 3, it's supposed to be 5, I think. And then 4 steps west, let's see. Yeah, and 4 steps south. Yes, it's fine. Okay. Let's continue. Let's make the screen a little bigger. Let's join the code. Now let's run it. I'm ready for the challenge. So I can use the south but block 2 times and the west block 2 times too, but the east and north 1 time only. Here I use the both west blocks. let's run it. Here we are on our last puzzle now. Let's repeat 5 times and then take it towards the east so that we can make it correct and fast. Here, another, I don't know why there are 3 question marks. Maybe so that we can figure it out ourselves. Now we take the north block and put it here. Now let's press the run button so that we can quickly finish it. Let's finish it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.